both coaches would agree that this seems to be for both teams. Is now on the Lady Trooper side. Now for Coach Rico, this is still a must-win game for him because he is now preparing for the semifinals at ayaw niyang tumaas ang moral ng Cagayan Valley dito pag sila ang natalo dito. Just an update on the player of Coach Rico, also Jacqueline Alarca, who is nursing a torn abdominal muscle affecting the abdominal obliques, an injury caused by either overstretching or long repetitive use. Sabi nga ni Coach Rico, ipapahinga niya muna ngayon si Jacqueline. And given that, more exposure will be given to Dalia Cruz and Iya Yonko, who Coach Rico can depend on crunch times. Back to you guys.
And of course, ito si Jack Alarca will be fairly missed, especially on defense para sa Philippine Army. Dakis on the stretch. Still a 2-point lead. Here's Tabaquero going down the line. She will miss everything.
That was wide for Angge. Alam naman natin si Angge is one the risk taker. Is yung kind of player that she is, especially when she was playing with the UST squad. Gusto niya yung linya na yan eh. Yung talagang napakaliit na butas between the blocker and the antenna.
Here's Salak now attacking, and there's a net violation against Tabaquero. So that is 4 straight points now for the Philippine Army. And Yonko now to serve. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Sheikh East V-League. Yonko also nursing an injured shoulder. Giselle C. dumps it.
And way up in the air for that dump.
Alam na nga ng Army parating yung dump, pero ang bilis lang na execution dito ni C. So FEU reclaims the lead.
So it's Palma and Tabaquero for Giselle C. in the front line.
Overset that time, but the strength of Tina Salak still able to get that one through. Tied at 9. Ito na, remote control serve time. Bago baterya, titignan natin. Kanina, pinapractice niya yung mga serve niya. Nangamote si Dalia Cruz sa kaka-receive. Diego, good reception. Combination now for Tabaquero. No help for San Juan. So the lead now belongs to the Philippine Army, Mosi.
That's right. And, pero ang FEU just hanging there. In fact, sila ngayon at the lead since from the get-go.
Biggest lead was at 4 for FEU. Here's Dakis once again with that serve. Giselle C. Quick set for Remy Palma. And Palma, injured ankle and all scores.
So from the middle, imagine kung ma-perfect nila yan ni Giselle C. Yung quick na yan. At ganito kalaki si Palma.
Yan ang era para kay Nuwen at Eulalio. Because Eulalio is playing in her last year for FEU. Tabaquero. Nunag. Quick set now. Oh, Joanne C says, Joanne Bunag says, I can do that also.
That's right. It was even a low set for Bunag, but still she managed to score the point.
Oh, what a serve. An ace there.
Right.
You know, si Tina Salak sort of reminds you of a female version of Larry Bird. Si Larry Bird I'm serious, because Larry Bird halos walang athletic ability, napaka gapiso yung talon,
pero very effective.
Very effective. And Palma, again a very effective quick play run by FEU.
Well, FEU now 8 attack points, partner, against only 3 of Army.
Right.
So mas marami pang atake ang napoproduce nitong FEU against the Philippine Army. So far in this first set.
Bunag tries to go cross-court. Gallego. And Sang Muang gets it across. Sala, combination, Mayet. Nice anticipation by Palma. Gallego also. Boy, these kids are playing well for FEU. One-handed save there from Sala. Michelle Carolina dug up by Tabaquero. And Joanne Bunag changes the trajectory of the ball.
Joanne Bunag just waited for that gift. At wala rin namang sumagot na sa FEU for your defense.
So 13-11 Army. Bunag, we talked about it at the top of the coverage. Nice serve. Here's C. Combo now for Sang Muang. C keeps it alive. Tabaquero on the set now for Sang Muang. Cross-court attack for the former Thai national player.
And Smarty going cross-court gets the point.
So 13 to 12, isa na lang po kabante rito ng Army. 17-year-old Remy Palma. Salak combination for Michelle Carolino. It's also nice to see, pinag-uusapan namin kasi kanina, next year 10th season na ng Shakey's V-League as we take a look at this play once again. It's great to see the original MVP still playing at her best.
Tama ka dyan, Noel. Playing very competitive volleyball.
Right.
Hindi madali mong gawin yan.
Hindi rin madali kontrolin yung kanyang serve as it goes wide. Pero again, at the age of 30-something, still playing at a very high level.
True.
So si Michelle Carolino.
At nandun pa rin yung flight.
Right. And Salak. I don't know if Dakis got that across correctly, no?
It passed through. Wala
Behind
na
the
sa
antenna.
behind the antenna na.
Oo.
So, that's a violation. Well, so far, Palma, with 2 attack points, over 2 attempts.
Right.
So, 100% pa si Palma. Ito naman ni si Sang Muang with 4 over 8. So, 50% for Sang Muang.
Dakis on the attack. Here's C for Angge. And Angge goes straight into the net. So 15-14. Army up by 1. Very close first set. Here's Mayet Carolino. Sang Muang. Giselle C. Quick set for Wenet Eulalio. And Nunag was not at her spot.
And she got that one. Alam na alam ni Wenet kung saan niya papupuntahin yung bola. So she got that back row area.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but it looks like FU is 100% sa quick attack nila. Here's the runner now for Yari Yonko. And Yonko will send the Philippine Army ahead in our second technical timeout of set number 1.